What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Oil Lamp Evolution tail lights from Subispeed, I believe. And like I said, when I was installing these tail lights, that I was going to do a review on them. So I wanted to do a review now that I encountered an issue that I'm going to try to fix right now. So the issue on these tail lights that I've encountered was that I've been getting some condensation inside of the tail light, as you see right there. So I'm going to try to fix that, and hopefully it doesn't happen again. So with that being said, subscribe to the channel and like it up, and I'll start taking this tail light off. So what you're gonna have to do is, well, I just took that piece off the panel over here, and there's gonna be 3 bolts you're gonna have to take off. So it's one here, and then one down here. And I think you're going to have to use an 8mm wrench to take it off, and that's about it. You just have to slide it off carefully, and we'll see if I could fix them. And I'm gonna try to use some silicone around the edges of the tail light to seal it off from all the water. So that one's how that one looks, and then this is how this one looks. This one doesn't have anything, surprisingly, but I wanted to do this video also because I've seen a lot of people have encountered this issue with their tail lights, especially this model. So we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, so the process of this video is probably gonna take a couple of days, because if I do find a way to seal the tail light, I'm gonna wait a couple of days until I actually upload the video, so I could give you like a good review on the tail light itself. And this is how it's going right now. It's fading away, but it's 32 degrees outside, but the sun feels hot, so it's evaporating inside, I guess. Anyways, it's gonna be kind of hard because I think that edge right there goes inside in there, so it's gonna be kind of tricky, but I'll see what I do. Okay guys, so what I decided to do is use some rubber glue sealant that's gonna go in this edge right here. I don't know if you could see it. So I'm gonna put it through there, heat it up, and then just shove it in there. And hopefully that's gonna fix the problem. So right now I'm going to run down to the AutoZone or O'Reilly, see whoever has it. And then I'm just gonna leave this here so the sun can dry this spot over here. It's almost completely gone, so hopefully by the time I get back, that should be done. I'm back. Okay guys, so I'm back from the store, and I got this instead of that one other glue thing that I was gonna use, because like if I was gonna use it, it would be all sticky and it would just be a mess, you know. So I'm just gonna trust this waterproof tape, and hopefully it works. I think it will. I'll just cover it super good. I'll put like 2 layers over it just to make sure it doesn't leak inside the tail light anymore. So with that being said, I'm gonna clean these tail lights super good. I'm gonna do the other one too, even though it doesn't have any condensation inside, and then I'll get to this. So how I am doing it over here is lining it up right at the edge, and then just tucking it in with like a card into that little edge right there, and then hopefully this resolves my issue. Okay guys, so I got it pretty much done. This is how the end result looks. I cut in a couple pieces just to make it around this corner decently, and this should hold up. Like, this thing is strong, guys. We'll just see in a couple of days after I wash it a couple of times, see if it holds up. If it doesn't, well then I'm probably not gonna be posting this video. Now I'm just gonna go do the other one real quick. So what I just did is just started from here all the way around to here. And I think that's about all you need, because most people get the condensation right here in this corner. So we'll see if it doesn't happen again, because if not, I'm gonna have to tear up the whole thing. And I should have just contacted Subispeed, but I just wanted to make this video for those people that don't want to go through all that hassle and stuff. Just a quick way just to fix their taillights. Okay guys, I'm at the car wash right now, and we'll just have to see if the taillights actually don't have condensation inside. Like I said, this video is gonna take like 2 or 3 days to do. I'm gonna wash the car again one more time, and I'll record the results of this car wash, and then the other one I'll probably do at my house, and we'll just have to see. Moment of truth, guys. No condensation whatsoever. That one's that. Let's check the other one real quick. Nothing. It worked, guys. I'm gonna keep washing the car throughout the week, and then I'll get back to you guys with the recap of everything, and then I'll upload the video for you guys. Okay guys, so now it's like 2 days after that last little clip I showed you guys, and I took the tail lights off just because I was gonna try to sell them But after all, I don't know, I might still be wanting to sell them because I want to go with a different option. But I did wash the car again, and there was no condensation whatsoever on especially that corner. I haven't seen any on that before. I taped it, but there was no condensation on either of the taillights. So I'll probably be putting those back on. I don't know, I kind of have like mixed feelings about them. I like them as in some points and I don't in others. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? Would you guys like this design, or should I try something else? But if I do get a good offer, I'll probably end up selling them. But if you guys are trying to fix your taillights, that is a very good, effective way to do so. And if you follow my Instagram, you would know that I did sell my tires and wheels together. So leave a comment on the wheels you think I got. I'll show you guys right now what I have. I have the tires right here. This is gonna be the new setup. Let's see, where is this at? Right here. I'll be running a 265 35 by 18 tire. And the tire that I got is Extreme Contacts. This is the same tire I had before. It's super good in the snow and in the summer. It gets good traction, and they're super durable. That's why I went with these. Once again, probably my next tire setup, I'll go more like performance, like track oriented. But for now, that's gonna have to do. So leave a comment on the wheels you guys think I got. I'm super excited to announce them to you guys. Anyways, I think that's gonna pretty much wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys find this effective if you guys plan on doing this. So leave a like, comment on things you guys would like to see, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.